Hello, writers. Today we are going to practice sharing our opinion with others and backing that opinion up with reasons. Playing a little game called Would You Rather? So I have some questions on my screen, or a question, and we are going to practice telling each other where or what would we rather, which one, and then backing that opinion up with at least three reasons. Okay, so let's get started. Would you rather wear shoes that are too small or wear shoes that are too big, and why? So I am thinking I would prefer to wear shoes that are too big because shoes that are too small hurt my feet. So I'm going to put that as my reason number one. Shoes that are too small hurt my feet. Another reason I would choose shoes that are too big is because shoes that are too small give me blisters. That are too small give me blisters, and those are not fun. Okay. Another reason I would choose shoes that are too big um, is because I could always wear thick socks with those too big of shoes. So, shoes that are too small, you can't generally wear socks. So, and I like to wear socks to keep my feet nice and toasty. So, I shoes that are too small you are oops are difficult or they're difficult to put on too, are difficult to put on, and you can't wear socks. So I would choose shoes that are too big because shoes that are too small hurt my feet. Shoes that are too small give me blisters. And also, I would choose shoes that are too big because shoes that are too small are hard to put on, and you generally can't wear socks. So, those were my reasons for choosing shoes that are too big. In the next activity, you will get to choose would you rather one or the other, and then your job is to come up with three reasons why you would choose the would you rather.